In a spine-chilling tale of demonic possession, a group of friends are tormented by malevolent entities in an abandoned house. As they struggle to unravel the dark mystery behind the house's sordid history, they inadvertently awaken a force beyond evil that preys on their deepest fears and desires. With an all-star cast led by stunning Alyssa, Sutherland and powerhouse performances from Sullivan, this movie is not to be missed. From Bruce Campbell's return on as executive producer to the incredible screenplay by Lee Cronin and Mark Verheiden, every aspect of this movie is masterfully crafted to keep the viewers on the edge of their seats. Get ready for a cinematic experience that will leave you gasping for breath and begging for more.